Today I'm going to talk about the Chimp portable pellet grill. The big thing with the Chimp is we had tons of people who had the Silverback, and we started getting this feedback, man, I love my Silverback, but it's really too big for me to throw in the back of my camper. So wish we had a portable one. We listened. We basically took all the features from the Silverback, shrunk it down into a portable grill, and this thing has been taken off. And really, for the size that it is, for the value that it is, it's properly sized for most families, and it's all I use. And again, I have a relatively small family, so it's actually got enough space just for me. So going over some of the features on this thing, first off, you got a stainless steel lid, which we're talking heavy, thick stainless steel here, guys. On the inside of this thing, we have stainless steel upper grate, lower grate. You can see the drip pan, the heat shield underneath, the burn pot are all stainless steel, and we're talking some thick stainless steel down here, guys. Some of the other features inside, since this thing does travel, we actually put tabs in the back that keeps that from bouncing up and down as you travel. And then also we put these little legs on this grate here that keeps the drip pan from bouncing up and down. And so when you're traveling around and the lid's shut, there's not a problem. And speaking of that, there's also a latch to latch down your hopper lid so that doesn't give you any trouble as you're traveling. So with the lid shut, if you got to break this thing down, basically you lift it up here a little bit, push the button in, kick your wheel up, and it locks right in place. And you do that with all four legs, and you can see this thing sits about 24 inches off the ground, and you're good to go. So some of the other things to talk about on this grill also has the new Alpha Connect Wi-Fi controller on here. That is new for griller grills, and it is awesome. It gives you the ability to monitor your grill, whether you're at a ball game, you're at the grocery store, you're at the marina, whatever it may be. You can monitor your grill. You can start, stop. You can see what your food temperature is, what your grill temperature is. And you can actually set alarms too. So say you want a low temp alarm just to give you a notification. You can do all that with that Alpha Connect controller. So having everything in here that I would probably put on a grill without getting too extreme, the price point is right for the average family, man. I'm telling you, you can cook 3 racks of ribs in here. I've done a 16-pound brisket on here. You can cook about anything on this little guy at anywhere as well, which makes this thing a strong contender out there in the pellet grill industry. That price that you see online, guys, that's right to your door. There's no extra cost here or there. It's free shipping. Makes this grill a heck of a value, guys. And a lot of the stuff that you see and the reviews you see, it's because we're a family-owned business. And we have customers that buy these grills, and they don't see them other than these videos like this. And to have those customers, when they do get them, make these nice reviews and make these nice comments on social media, say, man, this thing is built like a tank, and those are more powerful than me telling you, I think, at some point. So we really appreciate the customers that are giving us the kind words out there and basically being our salesmen out there. We're not in the big box stores and don't plan on it, and love being a family-owned business, being supported by our customers. So that being said, guys, thank you for watching it. The Chimp is legit portable grill. I'm telling you, for the price point, it is a solid grill. If you got any more questions, check out our website, grillagrills.com. Follow us on social media. We're all over the place on there, and also our YouTube channel. We got tons of videos out there, guys. So again, thanks for checking out the video, and hope to see you soon.